Hello world, this is Demian and that means you're definitely watching the One Cook Greek channel. Remember to throw your likes and subscribes before the cooking starts. I hope you're in a shopping mood because I have a great recipe here that needs a couple of things for the preparation. Don't worry, there are no obstacles when you get the right support. Prepare your kitchen tools because today we'll be treating a bird. Stuffed rooster and baked potatoes. I'm already starving. Someone told me once that the rooster is the most proud bird that can fly, but I can assure you that after this one will make it fly to the skies. Most people prefer to cook chicken or turkey, ignoring the superiority in taste of this fella. Soon you will find out. Pay a visit to the butcher and buy 500 grams of cow minced meat with medium fat and a 3 kilograms rooster. Throw away the neck and the feet, but keep the skin as it is. Here are the rest of the ingredients, and there are quite a few. Two kilograms of baby potatoes, 1 onion, 2 pieces of garlic, 1 chicken cube, 20 to 30 raisins, 2 soup spoons with cranberries, 5 walnuts and 5 chestnuts, 2 spoons of soup with pine nuts, white wine, half of a teacup, parboiled rice, just a small quantity, the juice from 2 lemons and half an orange, a medium-sized green apple, 4 spoons with butter, a spoon with mild mustard, 3 pieces of pimento, some thyme, oregano or rosemary, your choice, salt, pepper and olive oil. Your first priority is to marinate the potatoes, so follow my steps. Throw the potatoes into a bowl after you have them peeled. Salt, pepper, and a small quantity of oregano, thyme or rosemary. This is thyme. Add some olive oil. Crumble the half of the chicken cube up. Add the juice of 2 lemons and half orange. Finally, dilute the mustard with some water and throw it in. Mix everything and put it aside. Now I'll save the other half of the orange for something very important, so stay tuned because you're gonna be amazed. Boil the chestnuts in a small pot for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, find a medium-sized pot and place it on the hot plate. Cut the onion and the garlic in small pieces. Put olive oil into the pot and let it burn. Throw the onion and the garlic in along with the pimento. Deep fry them for a minute. Add the minced meat and mix them, non-stop until all of the minced meat gets a white color. Pour half of a teacup with white wine and then throw in the other half of the chicken cube. salt, pepper, add half a glass of water and let them boil until the water evaporates. Lower the heat to 70%. The chestnuts are ready. Peel and place them into a mortar. Add in the walnuts and smash them into smaller pieces. Find a medium-sized pan and throw in half of the butter. Let it burn. Now throw in the content of the mortar and roast them for 3 to 4 minutes. Mix them for the entire process. This is the perfect time to preheat the oven, 10 minutes at 200 degrees, the hotter option. Remove the pimento from the minced meat and throw it away. Now combine the rest with the buttered nuts. Cut the green apple in small cubes and throw them into the mixture. Add the cranberries, the raisins, and a small quantity of rice. Put the pine nuts in. Taste the minced meat and decide if you need some more salt. Blend everything until they become one. Great! We will finally prepare the rooster. Get a big baking pan and make our friends sit comfortably. Cut over here on both sides. Make sure that you can fit 2-3 of your fingers in there. We'll make a spread with the butter left. Salt, pepper, and some thyme, rosemary or oregano for a scented flavor. Thyme for me. Wear a glove and pass the spread under the rooster skin. Apply it very well, but look out not to tear it. Well, the stuffing is the final stage before we put the food into the oven. Stuff the rooster with a big spoon, or even better with your hand. Tie the legs with a twine to keep the stuffed ingredients safe. Put the potatoes into the baking pan and pour the marinated liquid over them. Use the liquid onto the rooster too. Place the pan at the lower section of the oven and change from the hot air to the above-below option. Lower the heat to 160 degrees. It will take 2.5 hours to get it done. Please remember to pour liquid from the pan all over the rooster every 30 minutes. After 2.5 hours, raise the heat to 200 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. This is how the skin gets crusty. Now, as I told you earlier, it's time to use the rest of the orange, so pay attention. Well, I promised to this bird that it would fly, and we succeeded. This is yet another proof that good cooking works wonders. Congrats, little fella, you made it! Rooster stuff and juicy baked potatoes. The sky is the limit.